Hello friends, I hope you are good. So in this video I will tell you how you can change your notification bar colors. So stay tuned with us, I will guide you step by step. So I will go to the setting and then I will click in setting bar. Here you can see. So I will search color. So here are color plate option. So you have to click on color plate option and then this setting will be appear. So first you have to enable this color plate option. So I will click on color plate. So then you can change your notification bar color. So first you can see my notification bar setting, bar colors are green. So I will change it to this one. So let's say I will change it to this yellow color. So I will click apply. So here you can see my colors are applying. So here we go. Here you can see my colors, my notification colors turn into yellow from green. So in this way you can change your colors. So there are many other notification bars options as well. So you can change into your favorite one. So I hope you got it. Thanks for watching.